Alright, 321ers, welcome back to another video. Today we are flying 3. You will see this one right here. This is a scratch build. It's the Astro BD. Old school vintage sounding rocket. This is a scratch built scale version. I built from Peter Allway plans. He had a book called Scale Bash, I believe it's called. Now I just got to grab the plans out of there. Did all my scaling, measurements and all that other stuff, and got me one built. So here it is. Going to be flying it on a C1112 today. And yeah, sit back and enjoy. Also, check the Estes discount code. Go to estesrockets.com. They got some new releases. The new catalog is out. Pick yourself up some stuff. Put in the discount code IN_321. Put that in at checkout and see what happens. Watch the magic. Get yourself a nice discount. And then in the meantime, just sit back and enjoy these flights. 321, let's do it. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Astro BD going on the C11.5. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he goes, C11.5. Nice boost on that. 5-second delay. Parachute is out. Astro BD, that was a nice boost. C11.5. I don't use those that much, but it's nice. Nice motor. Breeze kind of picking up here now. Breeze getting in there a little bit. There's the Astro B coming down. Still in the area though, nice. Hanging there. Hanging. Very cool. Astro BD. Coming on in. Yeah, a little breeze. Give me a little walk, just a little walk. Not bad though. Yeah, he's over there. He's getting all the way over there now. He's getting all the way over there. Where is he? And touching down right there. Not bad. He's down back behind the bridge. I'll go get him. Oh, I see him. He's on that hill. About to go do some crawling. All right, let me choose a different route. That's too steep. Be right back with you guys. 321 here. The Astro BD has landed. All right, guys. We are approaching the Astro BD. Here he is on the ground over here. Doing just fine. The Astro BD. Gave me a little walk. That was a C11.5 and he got up there pretty high. I wish I ran altimeter actually. But yeah, he's good. Let me see, little zip. I think that zip was already there. So yeah, he's good. He's good. Perfect. The Astro BD doing his thing. So let's get on back. That is the first one for the day, guys. Stay tuned. We got 2 more exciting ones coming for you. You'll enjoy these, I'm sure. 321. Astro BD doing his thing. Out here launching rockets. Model rockets 321. Doing it. Alright guys, next up we got the Orbitron, the Estes Orbitron. This is a fairly new release, came out probably last year or so. Kind of ready to fly. I'm going to be running, it's a payload rocket, 24mm. I'm going to be running an altimeter inside there, so we are set to go. Now, here we go, we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, popped out, let it go. No go, we got a misfire, so we'll have to reset that. We got the Orbitron going on the D12.5. Altimeter running, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Way up there. Puff of smoke, parachutes out. We're good. We don't go into the sun. No, I don't think so, we're good. High flight, might give me another long walk. There, so it's coming on down. There's the Orbitron coming down. Past the moon again. Cool. Not again, I mean first time. Here we go. And touchdown. Straight ahead over there. Cool. Let's go recover the Orbitron. It's deep over here, but still within the walking area, so that's good. Not too windy today. A lot of times out here, as I've stated in many videos, it can get very breezy out here. I mean, straight up windy, where you almost don't want to fly, and they give you some crazy flights. So that was pretty good. So I got to get behind this. I guess I'll go this. Yeah, I'll go this way this time. Yeah, it's probably more of it. I'll go this way, closer to this. They put this ridge of stuff out here. I thought at one point they were going to do something with it or burn it or something, but nah, they just piled it there. I'm pretty sure it's full of snakes and scorpions. But yeah, so let's go get the Orbitron. Good day to be flying. Not too hot yet. Little lizard running. It's out here somewhere. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go get this and I'll tune back in. Here we go, the approach of the Orbitron. Really nice rocket by Estes. They did a good job with that. It's a simple, almost ready to fly. Everything's painted for you. Easy to do, easy to go. Nice flight on a D12.5. Altimeter still running. I'm going to check that when we get back. So we have another flight. I will read that altimeter in the debrief. So stay tuned, guys. I'm back over that way over there. So stay tuned. 321. Discount code at Estes. I_321. Also check my web links below. If you want to support anything there, feel free to do so. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. We got the last flight of the day. It is the Star Hauler by Thrustline. Thrustline Aerospace is no longer around. Rest in peace to the owner. I forgot the guy's name, but he made some great stuff. He had a lot of parts and stuff available in the like early, mid-2000s. This is one of his kits. So we're going to fly in his honor. Thrustline Aerospace, the Star Hauler. Going on a C65. Last flight of the day, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, Star Hauler. Hauled, 5-second delay, and parachute out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, he made some good kits. He had some good stuff. Thrustline Aerospace. Look them up. They're probably still on Rocket Reviews. You'll find their stuff. I'm pretty sure people still post over there. Yeah, they had a lot of good stuff. There he is right there. Looks like he's coming down this highway. Are we good? Yeah, he's good. Yeah, this just has that big, the nose section is pretty tall. Yeah, giving me a good walk. It's going behind that mountain right there. And about right. Okay, I got a good bead on them, but yeah. Thrustline Aerospace, look them up, guys. I'm gonna go recover this. I'll pick back up with you. 3, 2, 1. So I just wanted to show you guys this. As you can see, I'm up high, right? So I'm up high and I can take a look, see, I think we're still over that way. Still gotta go around, so to get down in there. I recovered over here before, not that often, but once in a while we'll get one that'll go this way. So I don't know if it's down or on top. So I'll stay high first before I go down there. I'll take a look over here. Might just be right over here. It was up there pretty high and then it drifted down this way. Let's see. Do I have to go down? Oh yeah, he's all the way down. He's over there. Alright, I'm about to go down. Ooh, I gotta go down this. Yeah, I gotta do it. Okay. Yeah, just careful. A little side step. Watch your step, side step. Yeah, he's all the way over there. Not too bad. Alright, not too bad. Okay. Let's get to it. Cut through here. Doing rocketry is hiking. You're hiking and hiking. Hiking and hiking. You're getting your walk. You're getting everything. You're getting everything you need when you do this hobby. Alright, so here we go. A lot of water happened in here. Star Hauler. Star Hauler, Thrustline Aerospace. Everything looking good. All together, intact. Little nicks and dings expected, no problem. Bright, colorful upper section. Parachute good, textbook. Couldn't ask for nothing better. Perfect situation. Now I'm gonna get myself back. I can go up here. Now I'll just go this way. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the debriefing. This is Model Rocks 321. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment. You respectful. Everybody's pretty cool here for the most part. Keep it cool. Calm and collected. Build rockets, launch rockets. Cool stuff's coming. Cool stuff's happening. Be sure to, like I said, share this with a friend and use the discount code over at Estes. Check my links below. Support some stuff. Get yourself some 321 stickers. Put them on your range box. Put them on your vehicle if you do that kind of stuff. We're out. Stay tuned for the debriefing. Alright guys, peace. Alright, greetings, Earthlings. Today, in this debriefing, you saw 3 rockets fly, 1 scale, and 2 sport, I'll call them. This is kind of like a semi-scale, could be a scale sounding rocket or something of that nature, but anyway, you saw 3 cool flights. You saw the Estes Orbitron, which is a rocket that I really like. I like the whole scheme of it. I changed the color of the nose cone, I believe. I think that was supposed to be a different color, but I painted it black just so it matched a little better. But yeah, you saw 3 great flights. Sent this one up on a D12.5. I believe that's what's in here, if I'm not mistaken. Sometimes I forget what motors, but I'm pretty sure it's D12.5. Yep, D12.5, one of the old ones. Yeah, it took off, leaped off the pad, really nice. Super flight, very nice flight on this one. Nice rocket, nice design they did on this to be kind of like an RTF. Everything's painted for you. All you do is decals and stuff like that. But I do have an altimeter in this payload section that we're going to get out of here and see what we got. Let's check out what we got on that D12.5. This is my Jolly Logic 2. So let's see what we got here. Alright, 68% battery. Let's go. Okay, 817 feet. Oh, that was pretty high. That was a high flight. 817, 204 miles per hour. Fast. Thought it was fast off the pad. It was pretty quick. Thrust time was 1.38 seconds. And peak acceleration pulled 13.7 G's. Pretty nice. Average acceleration was 6.7 G's, so we did good. Coast phase was about 4 seconds. D12.5, but yeah, 4 seconds. Yeah, so nice. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What's the descent rate? Is there a descent rate on here? I don't forget if it tells that. Ejection was at 767 feet, so it continued to travel on up there. Descent rate was 8 miles per hour. Decent rate. But yeah, lots of fun. Nice rocket. Nice rocket. A lot of fun. So that is that one. That is the Orbitron. Very cool rocket. You can find yourself one of these. These go together well. They fly well. Super high flyers. So just have a nice big feel for them. So that was the Orbitron. Next up we have the Star Hauler. Classic rocket. It's painted all colorful. Has some fun. Almost like the Argo. I think it's called the Argo Javelin. There's a vintage sounding rocket with a paint scheme that's all colorful. I think Matt Steele over at North Coast Rocketry has one that he sells, scale model. But yeah, it has a color scheme similar to that. But anyway, I flew this on a C65. Nice boost, super high, gave me a long walk. Everything was up there, very good. It's a lightweight rocket. Red payload section, which you don't see all the time. Super cool. Thrustline Aerospace, the Star Hauler. Last but not least, I could be out of order, but anyway, we have the, I'm turning around this way. You hear all that char in there. Here we have the Astro BD. This is the Aerojet General rocket. sounding rocket. You can get the big high power version from Aerotech. They may make a 7-foot tall version of this. I think it's 7 foot. Sent that on a C11.5, which is really nice. That's a nice motor. C11.5 is a nice motor for this rocket. Also D12s and all that stuff. I think this one has a short, unless I have a, I'm not sure if I have an engine block in there or not. Yeah, these are all, yeah, these are short. I built these with the short launch lug, so it's not going to get, yeah, it can only accept the short version. So, yeah, I think it only fit. Yeah, there's no engine adapter in there, rather. But yeah, cool flying rocket. Nice, nice, nice. I built it all scratch built from Peter Allway plans. Put the little silver ring there. But yeah, so super cool rocket. Easy peasy. They don't sell these. You have to scratch build. Actually, I had to add a piece of tube there to get it to the right length for scale. But yeah, just another cool rocket. And there's my flights for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a fun day. I just want to say before we go, stay tuned. June 6th on the 26th. I mean, June 26th, 2026. Something is coming. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's my Rock 321. Catch you on another video. Thanks for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. And I'm out.